Amazon is a name that is synonymous with online shopping and e-commerce. From its humble beginnings as an online bookstore to becoming the world's largest online retailer, Amazon's story is one of perseverance, innovation, and disruption. The early days. Amazon was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos in his garage. He started with selling books online, but quickly expanded into other categories like electronics, clothing, and home goods. Bezos had a vision to create a company that was customer-focused and provided a seamless online shopping experience. The rise to dominance. In the early 2000s, Amazon became the dominant player in online retail. The company expanded into new markets like digital content, cloud computing, and advertising. Amazon also acquired companies like Whole Foods and Twitch, and launched their own line of hardware products like the Kindle and Echo. The challenges of the 2010s. The 2010s saw Amazon facing new challenges, including increased competition from retailers like Walmart and the rise of online marketplaces like Alibaba. Amazon also faced criticism over working conditions in its warehouses and the impact of its dominance on smaller retailers. Amazon today. Today, Amazon is not just an online retailer, but a tech giant with a market capitalization of over $1.5 trillion. The company's products and services include Amazon Web Services, Prime Video, and the Alexa voice assistant. Amazon has also made a commitment to sustainability, with a goal of being net zero carbon by 2040. From its early days as an online bookstore to becoming one of the most valuable and influential companies in the world, Amazon's journey has been remarkable. Their commitment to innovation, customer satisfaction, and sustainability has made them a global brand that is synonymous with excellence. As Amazon looks to the future, it seems clear that their focus on innovation and sustainability will continue to drive their success and influence in the tech and retail industries.